Today, you'll see how to install the Panasonic Whisper Green Select. I'll walk you through all the steps. This is a great fan because it's powerful, has an adjustable light, and modern look. The first step in a new installation is to find a ceiling joist. I use a stud finder for that and center it on the vanity cabinet in this bathroom. I try to make this as square as possible in relation to the walls and mark the outline of the fan body. I'm using a jab saw to remove the drywall. I almost lost this piece, but used my dad reflexes to catch it. The next step is to remove the adapter from the fan body and install the Flex Z fast bracket. This is fantastic because I can fold it and place it through the hole I made. Then I extend it to the joist. This expands up to 24 inches. I use the provided screws to fasten the bracket to the joist in 4 spots. I like wiring the adapter next. For this, I'm using 14-3 Romex. The red and black wire will control the fan and light using two independent switches. I place a 3/8 inch cable connector in the junction box and slide my 14-3 through it. Now, there are many different ways to wire this bathroom exhaust fan, so I recommend watching Panasonic's videos, which are excellent. But I wired the fan's black wires to the respective black and red wires of the 14-3, and I also wired all the neutrals together and the ground wires together as well. Then I fastened the cover back to the adapter. I'm using insulated ductwork because we get hot and cold weather in Pittsburgh. I also have two 6-inch worm drive clamps and foil tape. I place one worm drive on the ductwork and fasten that to the adapter. Then I use foil tape to seal the ductwork and reduce air leaks. By the way, I do the exact same thing for the exhaust vent that goes through the roof. It's important to exhaust the fan outside, no matter where you live. Here's a step where lots of people make mistakes. The adapter has an L-shaped bracket that slides over the drywall. I want to see that bracket on the bathroom ceiling. Then I use two self-drilling screws to fasten the adapter to the Flex Z fast bracket. It's really important to get this step right. At this point, I slide the fan body through the hole I cut. Here's a pro tip. Use a drywall rasp to make the hole slightly bigger if you need to. Then I fasten the fan body to the Flex Z fast bracket with two screws. It's also important to add the small continuity screw between the adapter and fan body. I then plug the fan body into the adapter and adjust the CFM with the flip of a switch, which is fantastic. What I like most about this fan is the architectural grille. It's awesome because I can adjust the LED light color to match the recessed lights in the bathroom. There are 5 different color temperatures, and I just plug the grill into the fan body and push it into place with the springs. That's it. The installation is very straightforward. This fan's light is fantastic, and honestly, it would be enough to light the bathroom in those early morning hours. I hope this video helps you with your Panasonic Whisper Green Select installation, but let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I'd be more than happy to help you out.